going on, guys? South County Scratcher is here with all of you on the final part of the Cash Explosion adventure. So just to go over a little bit, guys, about what we did. We were at the gas station the other day, and we stumbled across these tickets. And I bought number 12, and I won, no, 13. Bought 13, won 30 bucks. I was like, all right, why not? Let's give it another go. Got another $30 right here. It was going to be the money that I was going to spend anyway. So, got another one, 160. And then I was thinking, you know what? This would be an awesome piece of content for the channel. So I grabbed the rest of them. I grabbed 11 through 000. We have scratched 11 through 4. And this is part 3, guys, so I'm not going to say anything. If you have not seen part 1 and 2, please go check them out. I will tag both of them. I will link them both in the description below. Please go check them out before you watch this one. It'll make a lot more sense to you. If you just want to watch it to watch me scratch these big old tickets, hey, be my guest. I'm cool with it if you are. But like I said, it's going to make a little more sense if you go and check out the other two first. So we've got ticket 321 and 000. Again, guys, all from the same book. So we're going to start with ticket number 3. And we're going to see what we can come up with. We're looking for these symbols. If you haven't seen the ticket, this symbol right here, little bill, gets the automatic prize. Sorry, I was going to say double because a lot of these over here in Missouri, you get double the prize. But this one, just an automatic win. 2x is 2 times the prize. 10x is 10 times the prize. Star with the money in the middle, 500 bucks, and the cash is all 30. So, let's get going, guys. See if we can get a winner out of the last 4. All right, there are the winning numbers for us. 37, 18, 42, 28, and 17. All right. $31, 59, 33, 6, and 58. All right. 4, 52, 20, 22, and 34. All right, bottom of the ticket, guys. 1, 21, 19, 45, and 8. I don't see a 1 or an 8. 21, 19, 45. No, no, and no. All right, 47, 35, 36, 16, and 5. Nothing there. Bottom row, guys. 32, 57, 54, 48, and 24. So no 32, no 57, 54, 48, and 24. All right, I don't think this is a winner, guys. We'll go ahead and put this up in the pile. All right, ticket number 2. We're going to symbol hunt on this one. See if we can find that cash symbol, because that would be amazing. It'll be our first win all on this ticket. And you know, I don't even think we have had a multiplier. So all we have found so far on this ticket, guys, is that auto win. And we might have had a multiplier in the book. I don't remember, to be honest, but I will double check. Alright, so here are the numbers. No symbols. Let's see if we matched, if I can hold on to it. See if we match the number. 29. Ooh, this is all types of dirty. Perfect. All right, 29 and 9. I don't see a 9. How about a 29? No 29 either. 36 and 24. No 36. No 24 either. 31 and 27. 49 and 19. 20 and 17. Alright, I don't think this is a winner either, guys. This is ticket number 2. Now we're getting up to, or down to, I should say. Ticket number 1. We have 1 and 000 left. Starting off the top row with a 60. 53. 18. 15. 36 and 21. Alright, nothing there. Alright, 11, 37. 24, 16, and 51. Alright. 13, 34. Number 4, 45. 56. Nothing. 31, 26. 12. 57 and 14. Alright. 43 and 7. 32. 19 and 55. Alright. 6, 23, 44, 47, and 35. I don't see a 6 or a 23. 44, 47, and 35. Alright, looks like this is the third dud in a row. On to now, guys, the last ticket in the Cash Explosion adventure. Alright, 000, guys. Let's do the numbers first. Yeah, we're going to do this one by one. Alright, so there are all of the winning numbers. Let us, maybe not drop my tool. Alright, that sounded wrong. Anyway, alright, 51, 46, number 6, 49, 41, 27, 23, 3, 54, 39, nothing there. You know, we're going to scratch like this. I hate scratching like that. Alright, 35, 11, 28, 4 and 52, 45, 34, 43, 24, 20. Alright, guys, 2 more rows. 16, 59, 31, 33, and 18. Alright, let's do the prizes on the bottom. Alright, so most of these are pretty doable. 17, I see a 7. 15. 36. 53. And a 5. Alright, well, nothing on this ticket. Nothing on all 4 of them, actually. Let me clean them off, guys. Give me just a second. Alright, so I said at the beginning of the video that I did not want to say anything about how the other ones did, but it dawned on me about halfway through, I'm going to have to, because this is it. This is the last video of this series. So, you guys just saw 000, you saw 1, you saw 2, and you saw 3. Those 4 tickets lost. The very, very last ticket of the last video, ticket number 4, and if you guys have seen it, you know exactly what I'm talking about. $200 win, guys. I went ahead and scratched the prizes off first on this one, and I saw a lot of $20 prizes, and so that kind of ruined it for me. I really wish I would have scratched it the other way, but that's why the whole ticket is scratched off. I mean, you see some higher prizes like that, but there are 10 $20 wins. You can go ahead and pause it here, count them up, do what you got to do. But that won $200. So we have a winner there, so we're going to put that in the winner pile. And then ticket number 5, lost. Ticket number 6, lost. Ticket number 7, lost. And 8, lost. So we had a bunch. We had, let's see, 0, 1, 2, 3. They all lost. That's 4. And then 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's 8 tickets that lost right around this $200 winner. So then we had ticket number 9, 10, and 11. 9, 130, 10, 140, and then 11, 150. Now, if you guys listened in the very beginning, the number 12 ticket that I bought at the gas station won 60, and then the 13, 130. So let's do it this way. We'll do 30, and then so 30 and 60 is 90, plus this 30 is 120, plus this 40 is 160, plus this 50 is 210. So 210 plus this 200 is 410. Now that is $410 won back, a little more than half of the book. So again, I don't know what the other ones did. I played the other ones up there. They hit, came back, got these. So I just thought it was a really fun thing to do, guys. 400, well, here we've got 30, 40, 50, and then the 200. So the 40 and 50 is 90, 120, 320. Damn. $320 won. Let's see. 11 through 000. I'm trying to think how much that was. So 11. All right, 11 through 000. That's 12 tickets, or 13. Well, I damn near got all my money back. All right, guys. Well, that ends the cash explosion. I'm going to get out of here. You guys have a great rest of your night. I hope you enjoyed this. If you guys liked this, let me know. Maybe I can do something else like this in the future, and we'll get it going. All right, guys, have a great rest of your night. See you soon.